Hi! Today we will address the issue of how to insert icons and emoji in a Confluence page. The basic Atlassian product offers the possibility to add only standard emoji, the ones you find on social networks or messaging apps. These emoji can't be customized and, as you can see, they don't necessarily fit in with all professional contexts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a plugin for Confluence called Icons for Confluence and embed icons and emoji into your pages. But first things first, why would we want to add icons to a text in the first place? Well, certainly because icons make reading more fluent and pleasant, because they create visual anchors, and visual anchors tend to stick and give an idea of order. They also contribute to a better organization of the text and help readers orient themselves and navigate the text with greater ease. But let's see what Icons for Confluence has to offer. This plugin has more than 1,000 high-quality icons and emoji organized into handy categories. There is really everything. For example, the brands and logos category, where you can find icons of many brands such as Apple, Amazon, Slack, and so on. Files and folders, which contains icons related to the graphical interface of operating systems. Or the medical category, which contains a series of icons related to medicine and science in general, such as the microscope or the coronavirus icon. What's more, new icon packages are added regularly to include new contexts, so, word of advice, check new categories often to stay up to date. In the next video, I will show you how to find and insert icons in your Confluence page through the Icons for Confluence app.